Have you ever wondered how to make money while you sleep? Well, you're not alone. In the digital age, the idea of passive income, that is, earning without actively working, has become a sought-after dream for many. And guess what? It's absolutely possible. We're about to dive into the world of online opportunities and reveal 10 legitimate ways you can achieve this dream. So get ready to transform your financial future. Stick around for the next few minutes as we unfold the mystery of making money while you sleep. First up on our list is online market trading. This is a digital arena where people buy and sell financial instruments like stocks, bonds, and commodities. It's a bit like an online auction house, but for financial assets. You can take part in this 24/7 global marketplace from the comfort of your own home, or even on the go from your smartphone. Now, before you dive in head first, it's essential to learn the ropes. Understanding the market is crucial, as it's a game of strategy where you'll need to anticipate trends and make informed decisions. Platforms such as eToro and Plus500 offer resources to help beginners get started. Just remember, as with any investment, there's always a risk involved. So it's best to start small and learn as you go. And most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, knowledge is power in the trading world. Next, we have affiliate marketing. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, in simple terms, it's a strategy where you partner with a company to promote their products or services. In return, you get a commission every time someone purchases through your unique referral link. Think of it as being a middleman, only online. You don't have to worry about creating your own product or dealing with customer service. You simply promote the products and the company takes care of the rest. Some popular platforms for affiliate marketing include Amazon Affiliates, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate. These platforms have a vast array of products you can promote, fitting any niche you can think of. So, if you have a blog or website, you can utilize affiliate marketing to generate some extra revenue. You just need to pick the right products that resonate with your audience and you're good to go. Affiliate marketing might just be the side hustle you've been looking for. Third on our list, investing in stocks and bonds. Let's dive in. Stocks and bonds might sound like stuffy Wall Street jargon, but they're simply pieces of companies and loans that you can buy. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a slice of a company, and when that company does well, so do you. Bonds, on the other hand, are like IOUs. You're lending your money to a company or government, and they promise to pay you back with interest. Investing in stocks and bonds has the potential for long-term income, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's all about patience and persistence. And remember, it's crucial to do your research and manage your risk. The stock market isn't a casino, it's a tool to build wealth over time. And here's a pro tip: diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread out your investments across different sectors and companies. Invest smart and watch your money grow. Fourth on the list is a popular e-commerce method, dropshipping. Now let's unravel what this means. Imagine owning an online store, selling products, and making profits without ever having to stock a single item. Sounds enticing, right? This is exactly what dropshipping is all about. When someone places an order on your online store, you forward the order to a third-party supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. You never have to handle the product. You're essentially the middleman in the transaction. The advantages? Low startup costs, no inventory, and the freedom to operate from anywhere. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to get started, offering a vast array of tools to help you build and manage your online store. Dropshipping is a great way to earn passive income if you're looking for flexibility and low-risk e-commerce opportunities. Remember, dropshipping allows you to own a store without ever stocking a product. Next up, renting out property on Airbnb. Imagine having a spare room or an unused property and turning it into a steady stream of passive income. This is the magic of Airbnb. By listing your property on this platform, you could be making money while you sleep. But it's not as simple as just posting a listing. The location of your property plays a huge role. A beachfront condo or a city center apartment will naturally attract more guests than a suburban house. But don't get disheartened if your property isn't in an obvious tourist hotspot. With the right marketing and a unique selling point, even the most remote cabin can become a sought-after vacation spot. Maintaining a high-quality listing is also key. Make sure your property is clean, comfortable, and well-maintained. High-quality photos and a detailed description can make all the difference. So, why not start today? Turn your spare room or property into a money-making machine. Seventh on our list is creating an online course. The demand for online learning is skyrocketing as more people seek to expand their knowledge on their own time. This presents an opportunity for passive income. Platforms like Udemy allow you to create and sell your own course, whether you're a master of coding, a whiz at marketing, or an expert in knitting. The beauty of it? Once created, it generates income while you sleep. Share your knowledge and get paid for it. Next, we have peer-to-peer lending. This innovative concept is all about lending your money directly to individuals or small businesses via online platforms, such as Lending Club. It's a win-win situation. Borrowers get access to funds they might not qualify for at traditional banks, while lenders like you can earn a steady income from the interest payments. It's a fascinating way to put your money to work and potentially see more return than with traditional saving methods. Become a lender and earn interest on your money. Ninth on our list is starting a YouTube channel. This platform allows you to earn through ad revenue and brand sponsorships. The key here is to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. It's not just about posting videos, it's about posting the right videos consistently. Remember, consistency is just as important as quality. So, whether you're into cooking, gaming, or fashion, there's room for you. Turn your passion into a YouTube channel and monetize it. Last but not least, blogging. A fantastic way to share your passion, engage with like-minded individuals, and guess what? It's a legitimate means to make passive income online. Now, how does this work? Well, there are a few ways. First off, ad revenue. Once you've built up a steady stream of traffic, you can monetize your blog through advertisements. Companies will pay you to display their ads on your site. Second, sponsored posts. Brands might approach you to write about their products or services, and they'll compensate you for it. Just remember to keep it transparent and authentic. Third, affiliate marketing. You can recommend products or services related to your blog's niche and earn a commission from any sales made through your referral link. But remember, the key is to find a niche you're passionate about and to consistently produce content. That's the winning formula. Start a blog, share your passion, and earn money while you sleep. And there you have it, 10 legit ways to make passive income online. From online market trading to blogging, there's a multitude of opportunities waiting for you. But remember, success in these avenues requires dedication, patience, and a thirst for continuous learning. It's not just about setting up and sitting back, it's about nurturing and growing your income streams. Remember, the journey to passive income may not be quick, but it can definitely be rewarding. So why not start today?